What are you trading now?
I trade JPY pairs.
Okay.
So I'm trying to stick to UJ, CAD JPY, and Euro JPY.
Okay.
So I'm trying to take those three.
Nice.
Yeah.
So no GJ.
Nah. That's a beast, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too volatile. And yeah, so.
And have you ever gotten into other pairs or indices or other things?
For sure.
I
I had my stints of US 30, trying to play with that.
How did that go?
I was trying to scalp it. So like, there was a time where I was trying to get funded with it, and literally like one day I would make up like 6K, right? Like 3%, 200K, and then the next day I would lose like 4%. And it's like it's not stable, you know. Like you're scalping small moves, but like you're not. It's just not. It feels like gambling.
Yeah.
You know, so like I just had to drop it off.
Yeah, I mean, it's
like,
a tough pair. People get wicked out all the time on US 30. So.
But I mean, everybody, you know, has their own way, you know.
Yeah, you definitely gotta find the pair that fits your vibe, right?
Like I feel like trading has to do a lot with personality, you know. If you like, I'm very impulsive, so I can't do scalping too much. Because if I lose twice, I'm coming for a third one and a fourth one, you know. So it's like I can't be doing like, I need like that middle ground. So I like that intraday, maybe swing to the next day vibe, you know.
What kind of rules do you have in place that allow you to, you know, be actually profitable? Like you said, managing your losses. What's the game plan?
One of my rules, definitely after 8:30.
AM.
So after 8:30, I start looking for trades, and I start like mapping out my zones. So it could be gap. I see a gap in order block. That's one of them. I mark up my QPLs, my quarter price levels as well. So like just keeping those
key levels.
Yeah. Instead of just jumping in, because there was a moment in time where I was just trying to like, I would see a trend and then I would just get in above the quarter price level. So let's say it was like 171.50. I mean, it's past the.
You're trying to get at a discount.
And I wasn't even focusing on the structure, nothing like, you know. But it's like I know these stuff, but it's like why not?
It's impulsive, yeah.
Yeah, why are you not just being patient? Like,
that's the hard part.
Making it reasonable, you know. It's like I forgot who said it, but it was like it's like a picture. You got to paint a picture when you're analyzing a move. It's like a picture. It got to make sense, you know. It all has to like you're drawing a specific way.
Yeah, you don't want to take a trade just to take a trade. You want to actually You want to take the trade.
Yeah, obviously you're not gonna have the D trade all the time, but if you're consistent with your trades, you're gonna, you know, profitability is gonna be there for sure.
How many trades are you taking a week?
Probably like 20.
20?
Yeah.
It's a good amount for a week, actually.
It's a lot, bro.
Yeah.
I'm trying to lower it down. But like, you know what it is? It's when I lose. That's the issue.
When you lose,
because when I win, let's say I start with a dub that day, I'm not trading no more. I'm good. Wait the next day. But I take a L.
Trying to get it back.
I gotta get
the
it back.
Revenge trade.
And then like I lose again. It's like, hold up. Let me. But another thing I'm doing now is like, let's say I take 2 L's, maybe the third one. If I take it, I'm gonna make sure that's a good trade, and I'm probably gonna risk less. Instead of 1%, I'll risk 0.5%. You know, just to gain a little. And maybe if I lose, then all right.
No, that's what they say you should do.
Yeah. So I'm like, the way I see it is kind of like you're building a software, and then like you're trying to work on like little bugs, you know, to make it better. And that's how I feel like Forex is.
Yeah, like constantly building your plan.
Exactly. Until you, because like there's really no holy grail, but because I believe holy grail comes from emotions.
I believe the holy grail is the experience.
Yeah.
But tell me your take on it, on the emotions.
That's a good take right there. Experience, definitely, because like if you have chart time, you know what's gonna play out. But definitely emotions, because you can have the best strategy, but if you're not controlling your emotions, how you gonna make money? You know, like you gonna get mad because you lost twice, and you're gonna get another one. That's how I try to tell myself, like, yo, bro, chill. You know, you can't let it get to you. Cause
you gotta hold yourself back sometimes. Sure. Yeah, that's a good point. It's tough having to hold yourself back because, you know, your brain automatically will go into that mode where it's like almost desperation. It's like, I have to make money today.
Yo, literally.
Right?
Yeah, bro.
It's just focused on right now, but in trading, it's all about the long term.
Exactly. But for me, like, my issue is not even when I'm up. Like when I'm in my funded account, when I'm in profit, I could chill. Even if I take a loss, I could chill. It's when I'm in drawdown. It's like, damn, I want to.
Starts getting sketch.
I want to come back, you know. But the lower you get, it gets scary because you're like, damn, I'm gonna lose my funded account, you know. So I definitely, now that I recoup my funded account, I want to like get to that point where I'm consistent, you know.
Yeah.
Consistency, and then just keep building my capital.
100%.
Yeah. I'm definitely think I'm capable of doing it. So
listen, you're
that's my goal
22.
for
You're
2024.
ahead of most people. I'm 24. You're younger than me.
Yeah.
So you're killing it.